I'm about to show you guys what I hit. My caddy, bro. No, only this side. I smashed it. I smashed. Look at that, bro. Look at this, bro. You see this, bro? This is all effed up.
I love how it has from your side too.
That's what's bad. That's some effed up shit. What I'm about to show you is what I'm gonna be driving, cause till this gets fixed. This is what I'm gonna be driving, boy. This is what I'm gonna be driving, baby. Can't wait to take it out. Tomorrow, baby. Tomorrow. Tomorrow, this will be out. This will be out on the road. 300C Hemi. Peace out.